Hey guys, welcome back to XDA. Today I'm going to talk to you about an application that helps you do a better job at multitasking when it comes to getting notifications and when you're using your device. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing we want to do obviously is install and make sure the application is running. But I wanted to kind of show you guys real quick kind of how the actual notifications kind of pop up. I have them fitted to the right side of my screen. Now this is the Note, the One Plus One. And as you know, it's at 5.5 inches. This is actually considered to be a phablet, somewhat on the borderline of phablism here. But the beauty of it is I'm able to use this device and not have to worry about overreaching to my notification panel. Now, again, we do have the ability of kind of like setting up shortcuts within our launcher. That goes without saying, but I'm talking about just pure notifications on devices that are running stock or not even a modified, launcher. I'm able to interact with my messages. This is a text message that I sent to myself. It sends it here. If it was a longer message, I can interact with it. Shorter, I can go in. I can dock it back, I can open it, or I can just tap it once and it'll take me directly into the application that this message came from. It does the same thing with emails, and it tells you, it has a counter on it, tells you how many emails you have, and you're able to interact with them. It's a nice system. It works very well. It reads straight from your notification panel. So once you clear it from here, it does clear from up the notification panel. Now you guys can notice there's a green button there. I do have a smartwatch connected here, and it does not interact or interfere with the actual notification going to my smartwatch. The other thing I also want to make sure that this is the Pro version of the application. This is a version that has some additional features that are not available normally. And the way you know them is that whenever you see the annotation of the word Prime. I have all of them individually iconed, otherwise I usually put them in a list. So you have the ability of looking at them that way in the free version. Again, upgrading to the Pro is a nice function. I do have the ability to give it to turn on my screen to notify me that I did receive a text message. 5 seconds is how long the screen stays on. If you do not want your screen to turn on, you can disable this. Of course, this goes without saying, you have to actually say this. And screen timeout is 5 seconds. It tells you here that the minimum is 5. Anything below that is not recommended. Then you also have the auto icon position. Right now I have it positioned to the right. Display pop-up window, of course. Auto visibility timeout, that's 10 seconds, and then it goes into a dim mode. Again, opaquency, how opaque you want it, how transparent you'd like it to be. Direct open app, that's something I already have on. Rounded app icon, you have the ability of doing it either circle or squared. List icon, horizontal view, as well as also hide notice on C Locker. If you're using the Locker application, the lock screen by the same developer, this does have an interaction with it. I do have my notification counter on the left, and again, window opaquency here. Not much as far as when you go into the settings themselves. There's upgrading to Prime, emailing the developer, and then just about me and rate the application, of course, on the Google Play Store. From what you can see, the application is pretty simple, and it actually makes it easy to use a big phablet-sized device. And I'm talking about the One Plus is a 5.5 inch, and there's the Note 4, there's the Nexus 6, and we're talking about 5.7 and 6.0, and we're getting bigger as far as devices. And the reality of the matter is, overreaching to the top notification panel to be able to see what we have is not as easy as what we would like it. And Google didn't really build in a lot of different functionality within our system to be able to actually interact with a phablet-sized device. Hopefully that's in the future, but in the meantime, the ability of interacting with your notification using C Notice is a much better and easy, and I think it just interacts with the system very nicely. You can check it out as far as what you want to do. You can see the message, put it back into, you can close it, you can interact with it. The free version kind of adds everything on top of each other. That's part of the functionality. When you do go to the Pro, you're able to customize a little bit as far as what you like, but it makes it functional, it makes it easy to access, it makes the device a one-handed use very nicely. And it works pretty well over lock screens, which makes it functional for what you need it to do. If you do want to disable it there is an option within the settings to do that. Let me know what you guys think. Have you used any other notification type applications that kind of use the bubble message option? It's nice, it's easy, it's quick. It doesn't allow you to respond back from the same window. That's not something that's currently working there. This is basically just to give you access to the notification. So whatever would show in your notification panel is what would show in here. It's not creating a separate application interface. So let me know what you guys think. As usual, like and subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. As a side note, if you stayed this long, I just want to kind of give you guys a heads up. I am doing a giveaway on my channel for a 10,000 milliamp power bank provided to me as a review unit from Olala. Please check the information in the comments or the description below the video for the information off of my channel. And I'll see you guys soon.